Have you ever been so immersed in something that you lost track of time? You look up and suddenly hours have passed. Yet you weren't tired, bored, or distracted. That's called the flow state.
Think about when you were a kid and you used to play the games. Your parents used to call you for the dinner, but you are so immersed in the game that you are not hungry and you don't feel anything. Why? Because you were completely in the zone. But now when it comes to study or work, you barely even focus for 10 minutes and you get distracted. Why? Because we don't access flow intentionally, and today I will tell you how to access flow intentionally and do the work in half the time required. Step 1: know your energy levels, because before you even start working, you need to know your body rhythms or energy levels, on which time your body is tend to have the payload to work more. Some people are early birds, some are night owls, and some are in between. Do experiment on yourself and try to find your energy levels, in which time you are more accessible to work and which you will crush it. Because if you work against your energy levels, you would always struggle. And I personally work in the night time because I am the night owl and I like to work on night, and it's easy for me to work hard. By this I realized a Dr. Dre, a prominent musician, he has told that he has gone through 79 hours working on its work without getting distracted. And he said that he was completely in the zone and time passed by very quickly. I know that sounds a very big thing, 79 hours without sleep, but you would just want to do it for 2 to 3 hours and you would be okay. And that leads us to the step number 2. Step number 2 is to set up your environment for flow, because if your work desk is ready to work, you would be too. And in that, what you need to do is firstly declutter your workspace, because we need to make setup as easy as to work and as hard as to get distracted. Your work desk is no distraction zone, so turn off the notification or switch it off your phone, or even better, throw it away. And just like that, you would be very much productive and would access flow easily. Step number 3: get to work. Start the music you like, get in the vibe, and get to work. But wait. Here's the dark truth. Your first 30 minutes of the work would be so much daunting and so much hard. Just you need to push through it. After the 30 minutes mark, or not exactly, but yeah, after that 30 minutes, you would be more bound to work rather than getting off and getting distracted. Your brain would be locked to enter in the flow state and the time will fly by. Now you will not get distracted because you are in the flow state and you have thrown away the phone, or I guess and now it's broken. So you would be in the flow state, and that's the easy way to access the flow. And that's it. You would enter flow state easily and would work harder. See you.